An Amazon seller was burning $260,000 a month on ads until AI stepped in, cut $89,000 in wasted spend, and drove 400% increase in sales, generating more than $1 million in just 5 months. The problem: why most Amazon sellers are trapped. Here's the brutal reality most Amazon sellers face. You're stuck between two terrible choices. Choice number 1. Spend aggressively to rank. Throw $600 per day per listing at big keywords. Your ranking might jump temporarily, but your ACoS spikes out of control to 40%, 50%, even 60%. You're basically working for Amazon, not yourself. Choice number 2. Focus only on profitable long-tail keywords. Your ACoS looks healthy at 25 to 30%, but growth is painfully slow. Storage and labor costs are a concern. And meanwhile, your competitors are eating your lunch on the main keywords. The seller we're analyzing today was living this nightmare. $3 to $4 million in monthly sales. They knew Amazon advertising inside and out. Years of experience. But here's what they told us in month 1. We're spending $260,000 to $300,000 monthly with 34 to 40% ACoS. For every $100 in sales, we're paying $40 in ad costs. Our margins are razor thin. The math was brutal. At that rate, over 5 months, they were on track to waste approximately $89,000 compared to what they actually ended up spending. Think about that, $89,000 that could have gone into inventory, new products, or your pocket, just evaporating into inefficient ads. So, what changed? That's where the AI comes in. The solution: how DeepBI 5-layer system works. Most AI advertising tools just automate what you're already doing. DeepBI is fundamentally different. We built a completely proprietary 5-layer traffic funnel system from scratch. Think of it like a chess grandmaster, playing against your competitors while they're still playing checkers. It's a traffic sorting machine that gets smarter at each level. Here's how it works. Layer 1. Exploration. The AI deploys automatic campaigns targeting over 500 competitor product listings. It's not just finding keywords. It's intercepting customers directly on competitor product pages and search results. It's building a massive traffic database while your competitors have no idea it's happening. Layer 2. Initial screening. Here's where it gets smart. The AI blocks 60% or more of junk traffic before it can waste your budget. All those newly identified broad match keywords, phrase match keywords, and expanded targeting product listings, they're systematically filtered. Precise match keywords and exact targeting, ASINs generated in this layer are sent directly to Layer 3 for precision refinement. Non-performers either remain in Layer 2 with minimal traffic for continued monitoring, or move to the negative keyword bank based on data-driven indicators. This layer alone saves most sellers 15 to 20% of their ad spend. Layer 3. Precision optimization. Now we're down to the gold. The AI analyzes conversion rates, user paths, purchase cycles to identify the 10 to 20% of traffic that has true high conversion potential. Here's the kicker. Even long-tail coincidental orders in this layer often deliver lower ACoS than your main keywords. The AI finds profitable traffic you never knew existed. Layer 4. Scaling. The AI systematically scales only the validated, high-certainty opportunities. Dynamic bidding adjustments, traffic capture, ACoS monitoring, 58 different strategies working together, including inventory management and time slot optimization, all operating in perfect coordination in every layer, all happening in real time. And here's what makes it genius. This isn't permanent. Keywords can get demoted back to Layer 3 if performance slides. It's a living, breathing optimization engine. Layer 5. Organic sales boost. Here's the competitive edge. From all those validated assets, the AI identifies the top performers, terms with above-market click-through rates and conversion rates. Then it creates dedicated campaigns to dominate top-of-search positions. This creates a compounding flywheel. Your paid ads drive organic rankings up, which drives more organic traffic, which improves your listing's quality score, which makes your paid ads even more effective. You're not just buying traffic, you're building a self-reinforcing growth machine. The question is, why can't you just do this manually? Because the AI is processing millions of data points daily. For every traffic unit, it's making a judgment and executing an operation every single day. The longer it runs, the smarter it gets. No human team, no matter how skilled, can match that level of precision at scale. All right, enough theory. Let me show you the actual results. The results. Month-by-month transformation. We began with a focused test. The seller let our AI take over the advertising for their best-selling products. Here's how we measured the results. First, we looked at the overall store performance. Then we zoomed in on those specific AI-managed products, where our AI campaigns ran head-to-head head-to-head against the seller's original manual ones. The conditions were perfectly matched. Identical products, identical time period. The only variable we changed was the operator. It was AI versus human. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let me walk you through exactly what happened month by month. Month 1, July, the learning phase. July shows the baseline performance the seller was achieving on their own, with total sales at 3.7 million, 1.6 million coming from ads, and efficiency improving slightly as ACoS moved to 43%. Mid-July is when our AI was first introduced, and the initial test immediately showed stronger efficiency than the seller's existing campaigns. In its first month, the AI drove $1,300 in sales from just $475 in spend at a 33% ACoS, outperforming the seller's original campaigns, which were running at roughly 40% ACoS. Even though AI represented only a small share of total spend in July, the early performance gap was clear, providing a strong foundation for scaling AI campaigns in the coming months. Month 2, August. Validation. August showed a slight dip in overall revenue but a clear improvement in ad efficiency. Total sales reached $3.4 million, down 7% from July, with ad-driven sales at $1.4 million, down 10%. Despite the decline in volume, ad performance improved as ACoS dropped to 41.64%, ad spend fell nearly 14% to $600,000, and TACoS decreased to 17%, showing better alignment between spend and total revenue. AI campaign running for the first full month delivered $55,000 in ad sales from $14,000 in spend at a 25% ACoS, compared to non-AI ads generating $644,000 in sales from $246,000 spend at a 38% ACoS, representing 8% of total ad sales. The AI campaigns outperformed original campaigns with a 34% better ACoS while supporting measurable revenue and contributing to 58% of total revenue from organic sales, demonstrating their efficiency and growth potential even at a relatively small share of total spend. Month 3, September. Acceleration. The fifth funnel is now in full effect. Remember those keywords and product listings dominating top of search? They're creating that flywheel effect. Paid ads driving organic rankings, which drives more sales, which improves rankings even further. September saw a slight decline in overall sales, with total revenue reaching $3.1 million, down 5% from August, and ad-driven sales at $1.3 million, down 5%. Despite the modest drop in sales, ad efficiency and cost control improved significantly. ACoS fell to 37%, ad spend decreased nearly 15% to $496,000, and TACoS improved to 15%, reflecting more optimized allocation of ad resources. AI campaigns, continuing to scale, contributed $135,000 in ad sales from $35,000 in spend at a 26% ACoS, compared to the seller's original ads generating $600,000 from $209,000 spend at a 35% ACoS. Representing 18% of total ad sales, AI clearly delivered 26% better ACoS than non-AI ads, demonstrating both efficiency and measurable contribution to overall revenue without compromising organic sales. Month 4, October. Dominance. October showed stable sales with slight growth as total revenue reached $3.2 million, up 0.8% from September, and ad-driven sales were $1.3 million, up 0.3%. Efficiency continued to improve, with ACoS falling to 36%, ad spend decreasing to $491,000, and TACoS improving to 14.92%, reflecting sustained optimization of ad ROI. AI campaigns contributed $365,000 in ad sales from $93,000 in spend at a 25% ACoS, compared to the seller's original ads generating $540,000 from $203,000 spend at a 37% ACoS. Representing 40% of total ad sales, AI clearly delivered a 32% better ACoS than non-AI ads, demonstrating scaled cost-effective growth while supporting stable overall and organic performance. AI is now the primary advertising driver, and the efficiency gap keeps widening. Month 5, November. The new normal? November showed strong growth, with total sales reaching $3.4 million, up 9.27% from October, and ad-driven sales increasing 15% to $1.5 million. ACoS continued to improve to 34%, ad spend rose to $516,000, and TACoS slightly improved to 14.86%, indicating that increased ad investment was efficiently converted into revenue. AI campaigns contributed $500,000 in ad sales from $130,000 in spend at a 26% ACoS, while the seller's original ads generated generated $500,000 from $192,000 spend at a 38% ACoS. Representing half of total ad sales, AI delivered the same revenue as non-AI ads, but at a significantly lower cost, 32% better ACoS, demonstrating that AI campaigns can scale efficiently while maintaining cost effectiveness and supporting overall performance. Let me show you the total numbers of all 5 months. From July through November 2025, AI campaigns consistently outperformed the seller's original ads while scaling efficiently. Over a 5-month period, this store generated $4.1 million in total ad sales. AI campaigns contributed $1 million of that, 25% of total ad sales, but only spent $275,000 to get there. That's a 25% ACoS. Meanwhile, the original non-AI campaigns, they brought in $3 million in sales, but burned through more than $1 million in ad spend. That's a 37% ACoS. So let's break down what that 12-point ACoS difference actually means. For every dollar spent, AI campaigns returned $4 in sales, while the original ads only returned $2.70. That's nearly 50% more efficient. Bottom line, AI didn't just match performance, it fundamentally changed the economics of scaling. Over this period, AI ACoS stabilized around 25%, while its budget share grew from 0.2% in July to 40% in November, reflecting rapid adoption of highly efficient AI campaigns. Organic sales accounted for 47% of total revenue, showing that AI ads complemented rather than cannibalized natural traffic. The broader impact is clear. Total sales reached $17.1 million, ad sales grew 238%, while ACoS declined 14 points. Ad spend increased 191%, and TACoS dropped 97%, confirming that scaled AI adoption drove both significant revenue growth and improved efficiency. The financial impact. Over the course of 5 months, the service delivered $89,000 in cost savings, while the service fee was just $1,200, resulting in an astonishing 7,000% return on investment. Simply put, the service paid for itself 73 times over in just 5 months. The transformation. Think about what DeepBI delivered that traditional optimization can't. Speed, dominant market position in under 5 months. Traditional takes 12+ months. Sustained efficiency, 11.5%. ACoS advantage maintained during 400% growth. Compounding benefits, paid ads improving organic rankings. Predictable scaling. Every dollar goes to pre-validated opportunities. This isn't incremental improvement. This is transformational growth. Your next step. So here's the question. What's this worth to your business? If you're spending $100,000 per month on Amazon ads with a 35% ACoS, improving that to 26% saves you $9,000 per month. That's $108,000 per year. And that's just the cost savings. We haven't even talked about the sales growth. Here's what DeepBI costs. First month trial, $15. After that, $299 per month. Let that sink in. $299 per month for a system that delivered 7,274% ROI in this case study. And here's the beautiful part. DeepBI runs completely separately from your existing campaigns. Your current ads stay 100% protected while the AI proves itself in a parallel test environment. Zero risk to your current sales. Maximum upside potential. If your Amazon store is serious about breaking through your current growth ceiling, DeepBI serves businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a large-scale seller or just starting to scale, our platform adapts to your needs and growth stage. Click the link in the description or go to www.deepbi.com. Buy our service for just $15 for the first month and try it yourself in your own Amazon account. One more thing, this isn't theory. This is documented, month-by-month proof that AI advertising can deliver what manual operations simply cannot. Rapid growth with sustained efficiency. The question isn't whether AI advertising works. This case study proves it does. The question is, how much longer can you afford to leave this opportunity on the table? Visit our website now and you can transform your Amazon store now. Thanks for watching.